Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Car Addiction. My today's topic is why a Honda Civic has a higher insurance premium than some of the sports luxury sedans. And for the longest time I scratched my head. I'm like, what's going on? They're easy to maintain. There's millions of them, so God forbids if anyone gets into a wreck or something like that, it's cheap enough to replace them. So sometimes why an entry-level Honda Civic will have the same insurance premium as a $50,000 Beamer or a $50,000 Mark.
Hey everybody, I will be giving away the Car Addiction window stickers to one lucky subscriber every month, so please hit the subscribe button right away.
So I took some help from my friend trusty Google, and I found out Honda Civic is the #1 most stolen car in North America. Like, wow. And they take the #1 position by landslide. #2 is Honda Civic is the most accident-prone vehicle in North America. What? People driving Honda Civic gets into accident all the time. So what the insurance industry does, it's an industry based on statistics. So they take all these accident numbers and divide by the population and the money it costs, and then they come up with a monthly premium, and that monthly premium is like a balloon, and it's more than a luxury sports sedan. Like, heck, my S55 AMG, it costs me $200 a year to insure. I do understand it's a classic car, goes through Haggerty, but on contrary, a Honda Civic would cost me a little over $200 a month. Of course, I'm talking about Canadian insurance rate for all of you who is gonna go balloonies in the comments section, and I do recommend you should do that. Canadian insurance is another. I don't know what's going on with them. We have the highest insurance in North America, so yeah, we are kind of. Anyway, I thought it was food for thought. If I helped you by any means to choose your next vehicle, and that ain't the one, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. See you on the next one.